So here is the system. Victron multiplus, batteries, more batteries, color control, battery monitor, and here is a landlord.
It's hot actually here, I'll give it to you. Come on, time for commercial break now. Make some money for us.
Food and drink exports to the UK dropped
So,
by 8% last year.
And here is Booster.
There's the main man, the Buster.
The value of Stern.
So here is Victron multiplus inverter charger with nominal power 1.6 kilowatt. This inverter charger, as the name suggests, can invert and can charge. That means you can charge batteries also using external generator. And what we have here interesting is a relay. We have 3 battery banks, where 2 of them are AGM batteries and 1 battery bank is under the cabin and it's flooded battery. And as you might know, the AGM batteries have absorption voltage of 28.8 volt. That means whenever the battery voltage will reach that, which is 25.4 right now, this relay will disconnect those batteries and only the battery under the cabin, flooded battery, will be charged. What we have now, the situation is Victron is turned off and I'm just checking the battery. Battery is pumping 11 amps at the minute to the battery. So and the solar is giving 46 watts. Here is small solar MPPT charge controller, which takes care about those 2 modules. So 46 watts from the battery, so that's 2 amps from the battery. And as you can see watts also. So from this number you need to minus solar, and we have turbine power there. So how about 100 watts? In nominal power is 1 kilowatt. Oh, nothing now. And again, gas is coming. 200, 260, and slowing down. As you could see, mast is not very stable. So we're gonna turn on the load right now, which is our house. In the first moment we're gonna see probably freezer, refrigerator starting, so high current. Minus 1.4 kilowatt, and the TV is on, so we're almost in balance right now, pulling 30 watts.
Seems to be spinning very fast at all, Marek. Oh, it's an illusion.
Nothing. So here we are, we have turbine and solar generation right now, and we can see 2 amps, can we see? We cannot see. 4 amps going to the battery, 3 amps, 2 amps, 3 amps, 4 amps. Let's wait for a gust. Well, if you stay like like this, happy days. Five amps constant charge. Oh, 10 amps, 12, 13, 8, 5.
But you see what I'm saying? Visually it doesn't look hugely different between 2 and
Because it
15.
will not see a difference.
But it's
Look,
just, yeah.
that's your RPMs here. 12 amps, 14 amps, 15 amps, 13 amps. So picking up to 300 watts. Here is a 2 kilowatt generator. Whenever there is no sun, no wind, and we have a Champions
Do you
League.
know anything about them?
Noisy.
Well, because one of them is not working, I think it's seized.
And those guys don't need energy. They completely free. Not like us, addicted to energy. Stupid people, huh? So, few more words about the BMW 700 battery monitor. It's connected to this Bluetooth dongle, and I have access to it through the app. And what we can have, what the relay has in the settings, we can set a battery capacity, charge voltage, tail current, Puerket exponent. It's a factor that you have much less capacity, not much, but less capacity, but when you discharge with high current and more capacity if you discharge gently. Puerket exponent is closer to 1 for lithium batteries, and it's higher for lead batteries. Charge efficiency factor, things like this, 85% I have set that. Maybe it's right, maybe not. What's interesting here is a relay. So the way I have the relay set up, it's off at 28.8, and actually I can click it here. Here is the relay. Check it out. I'm gonna invert relay for a second just to show you. Nice, huh? Anyway, so you can set it on state of charge. You can use that relay to start generator or whatever. I'm using the internal relay to control the relay. As I said, the flooded batteries are under the cabin. What else is here? You can set up audio alarm on this whenever your battery gets empty, but it's not set here. I don't want to wake up Noel in the middle of the night. And the basic screen shows you that we're currently charging with 7 amps, 8 amps, 10 amps, and as you can see the wind is not steady. Battery voltage, state of charge. Whenever we start pulling, this guy can calculate for you the time remaining. 10 days right now. Oh, we were pulling 1 amp. State and the history, which is very nice. As you can see, the minimum battery voltage was 18 volts. Maybe I should set up this alarm for Noel, so he treats battery nicely. But anyway, that 18 volts happened to the battery under, because those batteries are again protected by the relay. Whenever the voltage goes down below 20 volts, those AGM batteries are disconnected. And this is color control connected to internet. It sends all the data to your VRM portal. You can see your consumption through the day, through the week and through the month, and 6 months back. So that's it for now. We're gonna try now washing machine, which I just fixed because the door lock was broken, but probably 1.6 kilowatt Victron will not be able to handle. But we'll see what will happen when we start heating water. I have 30 degrees right now, but if the immersion heater is 2 kilowatt, then we'll hear overload. But let's wait for now. Washing machine, boys! Washing machine!
Yeah, it's up to 23, look. 21.
Ooh, 20 amps charge from the battery and solar. 26. Battery voltage, 28 volt. Right, so the washing machine takes 140 amps whenever the immersion heater kicks on, and that's probably 125 amps, 130 amps, and the overload alarm. Victron will go 3 times overload, and that's it for him. Then you need to restart manually. 2.1 kilowatts. Generator. He doesn't see generator at all.
No.
Okay, let's turn off the washing machine. Okay, we have the generator charging off.
See, I find when...
Well, it went straight off.
Yeah. Yeah, there's something about the power assist or something in it. That it doesn't like it.
Yeah, you see, the power quality just, it will not assist. The power assist is designed for assisting the grid. If you have a boat and you're parking your boat at the shore, you want to charge your boat, you want to, let's say, do a pizza, and the shore, there is a shore limit, 6 amps sometimes, and that's the way, that's when this guy assists. Strong grid, but not. Right, we're charging now. 27, 29, 30. What's the story? Why is the relay not clicking out? Oh, there it is. 31.5 absorption.
And why is the generator going right now?
Because the battery is full.
Alright, yeah. So it doesn't need all that much.
It doesn't need all that much. Those batteries are disconnected now because the relay is off, as you can see.
So turn off the generator. Because it's not going to work the washing machine.
No. We're doing another experiment. Our lovely generator with no exhaust and washing machine directly to the generator. What's the story?
Do it again.
Washing machine didn't want to start on the generator, but we have it back on Victron with the temperature set to 0. 37 amps, 36, 35. Cold wash. The most effective solution is cold wash. The most cost-effective solution. Well, 20 amps now. What's the pump? Yeah. The pump is okay to handle. The motor will be difficult when everything is wet. Look now, 40 amps. Not too bad.
What can it go up to?
You could see 130 amps.
Yeah.
Gassed. Woo! Look! Free wash right now. Not anymore. Well, looks like the washing machine is okay on the cold wash, pulling up to 50 amps. Let's see how much is that in power. Victron fan is on. It's about 700 amps of AC load, and actually you can hear your washing machine here because the motor requires reactive power also, as magnetic field requires reactive power. Well, I think another stage of washing we just entered, and maybe the motor will spin faster. Here is a flooded battery bank I was talking about. It's under the cabin. So we have about 400 ampere hour capacity. Chickens also don't need electric energy. Ooh! You can see we are in the second stage, so I didn't catch that high RPM. Oh, now high RPM. Well, it needs a bit of power to start, but it's okay as soon as it spins. Only look, not too bad.
What's it using?
Not much.
Huh.
But it's losing a lot when it starts to spin, yeah? As soon as it spins, look at the floor. The whole house is shaking.
Yeah. So you can imagine putting a turbine on it. But you see, that's good that the floor is moving, because it can't be rigid. If it's rigid, it'll crack.
Well, so the solution for you is prepare hot water for the washing machine.
How?
Gas.
And what? Just throw it in, or?
Woo! We're starting to fly!
That's why I have my aisle lights. Look, this is an airplane. It has aisle lights and everything on it. And they don't work during the day. They're brilliant. Look. It only works when I need it.
asking for permission to take off.
Yeah.
This is Captain Noel speaking. All passengers ready? Let's go! So, cold wash is done. Smells good. We're more and more environmental friendly every day. People in India are not using hot water at all. So why should we? Okay, so what I want to show you is Victron remote monitoring portal, and let's have a look at Noel site, and let's go straight to advanced tab, and let's look at last 24 hours. So as you can see, actually when I was there 2 days ago, custom date. So I was there on Tuesday. Let's start from Tuesday midnight because the night was very windy. Oh, actually I came just here. So let's go from, yes, let's go from here. Let's say from here. Okay, let's say from here. The day before I came, Noel charged his battery up to 28.37, and then through the night, as you can see, it was very windy. So, but battery reached even 30.4 volt. Then I came in the morning at 11 o'clock. I rewired the battery monitor, so there is nothing here. The yellow one is a solar charger charge current, and then the voltage is here. Whenever voltage goes up, that means the wind turbine is charging. And since then he didn't charge using generator, but let's have a look at this. Here is the battery power. That's when we were using a washing machine. Battery going down to minus 1.3 kilowatt. That's the generator input here. That's the moment when we had a Jenny on, when I was there. Oh, this is nice. This is showing output power, which is the consumption. So here is the microwave, coffee for Noel, a few minutes later coffee for me, and then we start playing with the washing machine with the immersion heater, but Victron couldn't handle that, so that's a wash here from 1 o'clock. Well, I don't know, but anyway, that's through the night. System turned off. Wake up, consumption. Here is watching TV. Here is probably microwave. Watching TV. Midnight, sleep. 6 o'clock, wake up, only 60 watts, which means probably no TV yet. And here we are, coffee machine, TV again. TV, night. So, state of charge, this is a state of charge recorded by Victron multiplus. So it's going down because multiplus doesn't know that the solar and wind is charging. We have a proper state of charge on a battery monitor, which is the tablet, but we don't see that from here. We could see that if I have a battery monitor connected to color control, but I don't have. So that's it for now. Just show you at the end, maybe last 7 days. And loading, AC input power, last 7 days. So last 7 days he had to use generator 1, 2, 3, 4 times. And not too bad because it's windy from there, from 11th. We have 13 today, so we are here. Maybe can show you different sites. Here is a customer with a heavy load. His house is using close to 40 units a day last 7 days. 30 units today, 40 units, 40. Oh, here as you can see it was windy. He had got a wind generator and solar system, so he was able to recharge battery here at this day. Okay, bye bye, that's it. Powiedz coś. Powiedz bye bye.
Bye bye.
Powiedz jestem Boba.
Jestem baba.
Nara.
Ja.